Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Undertale on your Chromebook. This method utilizes the built-in Linux environment, providing a stable way to enjoy the game. We will cover enabling Linux, installing necessary software like Wine or Steam, and finally, downloading and launching Undertale. It's a straightforward process that will have you playing in about 30 minutes. First, let's enable Linux. Open your Chromebook settings, then find the Developers section. Here, you will see an option to turn on the Linux Development Environment, Beta. Click Turn On and follow the simple instructions. Your Chromebook will download and install the necessary files. This process usually takes about 10 minutes, so be patient as it prepares your device for the next steps. With Linux enabled, it's time to get Undertale. Open the Linux terminal, which you can find in your app launcher. We will install Steam using a few quick commands. Once Steam is installed, log in with your existing account. From there, you can easily purchase and download Undertale directly from the Steam store, just as you would on a regular computer. This step connects your game library to your Chromebook. Finally, let's launch the game. Open Steam from your Linux Applications menu. Go to your game library, find Undertale, and click the play button. The game will then launch, ready for you to explore. For the best experience, ensure your Chromebook has at least 4 GB of RAM. You might also consider connecting a compatible game controller for more comfortable gameplay. Enjoy your journey through the underground.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.